Hey everyone, you're watching The Other Guy with my very first YouTube video reviewing the new InCharge 6 by Rolling Square. So let's get started. The InCharge 6 is a gadget which can help simplify one's life in many ways, from what to carry to even what to buy. In essence, it is your Swiss Army knife for cables. In a small form factor, this cable supports output as USB-C, micro USB, and even Lightning. So that means you've got all your devices covered, from Android phones to iPhones, external hard drives and SSDs, battery banks, and even your old devices which support micro USB. This lightning cable you see here duals also as a micro USB. So is that it for this cable? Of course not. We talked about the versatile option for the output, but what about the input? As you can see, the input option is a USB-A port, but that's not all. You also have the option to support input as USB-C. This is really useful as this is future-proofing your cable for the years to come. Also to keep in mind, InCharge 6 features both charge and sync, which allows you to quickly transfer your data from portable devices to computers as well. So when I'm charging my Samsung device, it supports fast charging, which is really awesome.
Another interesting feature is when using the USB-C input, you can use your phone to charge another device, like another phone. This is really useful when you are on the go or just cannot find an outlet to charge your device.
Now, if this cable size is too small for you, Rolling Square has got you covered with the InCharge 6 Max. It's the same product, but 5 feet long. Now let's talk about build quality. Overall, I'm very happy with the build quality. The cable is solid and the magnets are strong. So I'm not worried about the cable breaking, nor am I worried about losing my cable due to weak magnets. In addition, for the long cable, I'm not worried about tangles, which is really convenient. Now let's talk about pricing. The InCharge 6 retails at $19 USD, which is roughly $26 Canadian. And the InCharge 6 Max retails at $24 USD and $36 Canadian. So there you have it. This is the InCharge 6 by Rolling Square. I'm really happy with my purchase and I can't remember the last time I took any other cable other than this little guy. I hope you enjoyed this video and I would appreciate the support by leaving a like, subscribing to the channel, and leave a comment about what you liked and what I can do better, as I am all ears. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Later.